Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Stardew Valley cookbook. Today we're making super meal. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, you're going to want to cut up 2 large lemons and squeeze their juice into a large bowl. After you squirted all the juice in, remove 2 tablespoons. Now fill the bowl halfway up with water. Then take 2 pounds of baby artichokes, I couldn't find baby artichokes, and cut the stems to about 1 inch, peeling off the thick green leaves on the outside to access the tender yellow leaves, and then cut the tops off and cut in half, and you want to rub it all with a lemon slice. Do it one at a time because these brown very fast. I learned that the hard way. And then you want to grab a small spoon and scoop out the fuzzy bits at the center. Once you've prepped one of the baby artichokes, you're going to put them in your lemon water. Now, in a 9x13 baking dish, you want to add your 2 tablespoons extra of lemon juice, then add 2 tablespoons of vegetable stock, which there is a recipe for, but I read it as vegetable broth, not stock. Oh well. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, finely grated, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and salt. And you're going to put your baby artichokes in there and put in the oven at 425 for 10 to 20 minutes until they're fork tender. Now, while those are in the oven, you can cut your baby bok choy. All you have to do is rinse them and cut them in half. Make sure your baking dish is big enough to fit your baby bok choy. My baby bok choy were not baby bok choy, or they just were not baby size, so I had to transfer them to a new baking dish. Now make pearled farro. I use quinoa and just in the Instant Pot, not even part of this recipe, and then just mix in 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, half a cup dried cranberries, and freshly ground salt and pepper. Now finally, for the dressing, you're going to want to cut up another lemon, because you need a 1/4 cup lemon juice. You're going to want to cut up 2 cloves of garlic, rip off 1/4 cup fresh basil leaves, a 1/4 cup flat leaf parsley leaves, cut up a 1/3 cup of scallions or green onions, tear off a tablespoon of tarragon leaves, dry 2 anchovies packed in olive oil. You don't have to do the anchovies. And then you're going to also cut off 1 large red avocado, throw that all into a blender and blend it until smooth, along with a 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup water. Yeah. Finally, to assemble, you also want to cut up some more flat leaf parsley and seed a pomegranate. And to assemble it, all you need to do is do your farro, sprinkle some parsley, then you top with baby bok choy and the artichokes, and then you top with pomegranate seeds and dollop of the dressing on the side. This is so good. This is really, really good. The pomegranate seeds were so nice. Like, everything worked so well together. And you can also eat it cold if you want. When I ate the leftovers, I did put it in the microwave for a little bit just to get it to room temperature because I didn't want to eat it cold. But it was so good. I would highly recommend 9.5 out of 10.